If your projector works forward, but it doesn't work reverse, and you've moved the adjustment plate over here up and down to its fullest extent and it still won't go into reverse, your directional lever assembly may be gummed up. And the lever assembly is located, one end is right here. So if you push down on this, it should go down and back up real easy, just like that. You see it moves real easily. There's spring in here, which will make it comes right back up. If that doesn't go easily, then it needs to be cleaned. The area of cleaning is like right here where it rubs up against this plate. And the second area is down in here. You can barely see it down there. It's a brass bearing, which is a pivoting point for the assembly, and it rockers on that point. So that needs to be cleaned. And this tip over here needs to be cleaned down in here. And that's what we need to look at.